Good morning, and welcome to an Eco Mindfulness Morning Routine for busy professionals. If you want to infuse your mornings with a sense of calm and environmental connection, you're in the right place. As busy professionals, our mornings often dictate the tone of our entire day. That's why incorporating eco mindfulness into our morning routine can be transformative. It's about starting your day grounded in nature and clarity. Imagine waking up and immediately feeling connected to the natural world, setting a tone of calm and focus for your day. This routine is designed to be simple yet impactful, fitting seamlessly into your busy schedule. Let's begin. Start by opening a window to let in fresh air and natural sounds. For 5 minutes, practice deep breathing, focusing on the sensation of the air and imagining it as a revitalizing natural force. Next, spend a moment in gratitude, reflecting on one aspect of nature you're thankful for today. This could be the warmth of the sun or the sound of birds. Now, set an eco-friendly intention for the day. It might be using less plastic, conserving water, or even starting a conversation about environmental awareness. Finally, enjoy a sustainable break, specifically the food that you first eat. Choose local, organic produce and consider the environmental impact of your meal. This mindful start sets a powerful precedent for the rest of the day. Thank you for exploring mindful growth and eco-awareness with me. I value your insights and experiences on our journey together. If today's nature-based mindfulness tip resonates with you, please like it, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more integrated strategies for busy professionals. Stay mindful, stay connected. Until next time, thank you for watching.